resetting the Garmin DriveSmart 66. Sometimes you have to do this for privacy, especially if you share this unit with other people. Sometimes you do it just to clear the memory. Sometimes you just want a fresh start. So this is how to do it on the 66. First, I will show you how to do a full reset, which is from settings, scroll all the way down to device, scroll all the way down to reset, and delete data and reset settings. But be warned, if you do that, you lose your favorites. So if you want to keep your favorites, then we do a partial reset. And that's the part I will show you now. While on this screen, clear travel history. That's how you clear the travel history. So we're done with this screen. After that, view the map, go to the speedometer, tap the top left. Now before I do that, notice there's a little bit of data here. Reset fields, select all, reset, zeros everything. Great. Anything after that? One more thing. Where to? Recent, top left, clear, yes. And that is how to do a partial reset. So just to recap of everything we did for the partial one. Settings, all the way down. Device, all the way down. Reset, clear travel history. That's part one. Part two, view the map. Speedometer, top left. Reset fields, select all. Reset. Part 3, where to, recent, there's no data available here right now, but it would be top left and then clear, and you're done.